Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Leo Dominic, and today we're taking a look at a really interesting crypto wallet project that already has a live working product, and at the same time, it's running a token pre-sale. Now, usually when we talk about pre-sale, it's about a project that's still in development. They raise funds first, then later they build the product. But in this case, it's different because the wallet is already up and running. That means the token being sold isn't just a promise of what's to come, it already has real utility from the very start. And that's something we don't often see. But before we get into any details, do know that none of this is financial or investment advice. Always do your own investigation and research. Now let's dive into the project. The app is called ColdWallet. The name might throw you off a bit because it's not technically an offline cold wallet. Instead, it's a live self-custody wallet that takes a lot of the privacy and security benefits of a cold storage solution, but keeps the flexibility of an internet-connected wallet. So when you use it, your information isn't tracked or sold, your IPs are blocked, and your identity stays protected. You remain in full control of your assets while still being able to send, swap, or explore dApps without the usual privacy trade-offs. What makes it more appealing is that it's already available for everyone to download. If you're on iPhone, it's in the App Store. If you're on Android, you'll find it on the Google Play. That means you can actually try it right now instead of waiting months or years for a beta release. Once you start using it, you'll notice something very different compared to other wallets. Your activity is rewarded. Almost every on-chain action you take inside this wallet, whether it's paying for gas, swiping tokens, or even using the on-ramp, it gives you cash back through the native token called CWT. Now, the pre-sale of CWT is already underway and has raised several $1 million, showing strong interest. And like most pre-sale, it's divided into phases where the prices gradually increases. So the earlier you're in, the better the rate you get. The token itself is designed to power the entire reward system inside the wallet. Think of it this way: the more CWT you hold, the higher your cashback and rewards will be. And it has a tier structure where your benefits scale with your holdings. And the best part is you don't even need to stake or lock them up. Just holding CWT in your wallet automatically boosts your rewards, very similar to how reflection tokens work. On top of that, there's a referral program that's actually pretty generous. Now, if you invite friends, you get rewarded in USDT directly, which is redeemable once you hit as little as $5. And not only do you benefit, but the person you refer gets a bonus too. So both sides win. Combine that with the cashback rewards on gas, swaps, and on-ramps, and you're looking at a system where just by using the wallet normally, you're constantly getting something back. Now, the wallet itself has a very clean interface. You'll find all the usual tabs like your home screen, your portfolio view, a swap feature, and a built-in browser for exploring decentralized app. It's also multi-chain, which is a huge plus because you don't need separate wallets for Ethereum, BNB chain, Polygon, Solana, or Bitcoin, or any other channels. It's all in one place. Sending, receiving, browsing, swapping, it's all seamless too. And remember, these actions are not only functional, but also rewarding, which really sets this wallet apart. Now, let's talk about security for a moment, because that's one of the biggest concerns when it comes to wallets. Now, ColdWallet has multiple layers of protection. You've got biometric verification, you got two-factor authentication, wallet lockdown features, multi-signature transactions, and even time-locked transactions. Now, all of these combined give you extra peace of mind when managing your assets. And unlike many other wallets that have been caught sharing or leaking user data, this one is built around keeping your identity private and secure from the ground. Now, looking ahead, the roadmap is also worth noting. During the pre-sale, early supporters get access to the best token pricing, early perks, and built-in rewards tracking within the app. In early 2026, the plan is for the token to go live on exchanges and fully activate the reward system. After that, they'll be rolling out partner integrations, premium features, and boosted reward tiers to keep expanding the ecosystem. Joining the presale itself is straightforward as well. You connect a wallet, choose from supported currencies like Ethereum, BNB, USDT, BTC, Solana, Dogecoin, and more, then swap them for CWT directly. The dashboard shows your purchases, referral code, and even a leaderboard of other participants, so everything feels transparent. And there's even an ROI calculator if you want to project different scenarios. So, to sum it all up, what we have here is a wallet that combines the privacy focus of a cold wallet, the accessibility of a hot wallet, and the incentives of a reward platform. You get a multi-chain support, cash bond and gas fees, and swap referral bonuses in USDT, and a security model that blocks trackers and protects your identity. And unlike many other projects, this one already has a functioning product that anyone can download and try right now, while the token presale gives early participants the chance to benefit before the public launch. But as always, none of this is a financial advice. Make sure to do your own research before making any decisions. I'll leave all the relevant links down below so you can check it out for yourself, explore the features, read through the tokenomics and FAQs, and decide if this is something that fits your needs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.